Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Valerie and this is Violet. She's my little co-hostess and my little partner in crime. And today, I hope everybody's doing well. It was snowing this morning, we're finally getting some sunshine. So I thought I'm gonna get some videos shot while I can with some natural sunlight. So today we're doing an unbagging. We're doing mint mongoose. It came in my mail. I just went out, checked the mail. It was there. I was like, oh, let's get this done. So I haven't had one for a while. I skipped last month, and I got one in December. I skipped last month, and I'm getting this one this month, and then I'm going to skip next month too. I'm trying to be a little bit more economical since my hours were cut at work, and I've had surgery and was off work for a while. So I'm having to be a little bit more economical and kind of having to skip, this subscription or that subscription here and there. And I'm really thankful though for the ones who allow you to skip. Because it can be a lifesaver. There's this month, that there's no money in the budget for that. So if you're not familiar with Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription service, and they have two different types of subscriptions. And the first one is the regular, and it's $12 a month, and then you have to pay for shipping, which I think is $3.70. So it equals out to about $16 And with that, you get 3 pieces of jewelry every month, and that's it. Then there's a Mint Mongoose Black, which I think is $21 or $22 a month, and that includes shipping. And I think you get 4 pieces of jewelry, and then you get like 2 extra items, which could be like a headband or a wallet or things like that. So, yeah, I do the regular. So let's get into this and let's see what we got. Oh, I've got something in there. I got something down in here. So let's see what's in the bag. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I got a necklace, and I don't know if I think this was an extra. I think I did a review for them, and I think I got this as an extra or for doing, a review. And I did my honest review. Okay, but everything else comes in this cute little box, and it has a Mint Mongoose wax seal on it, as you can see. And I always forget to get something to cut that off. So let's get in here because I want to see if this is an extra or not. Oh my, and this one is a good one. It is sealed good this month. Let's see if I can get this off. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let me put that back in the bag because Mrs. Violet's over here bombarding me already. She's over here just bombarding me already. She's ready to steal something. I just had her outside for a little while, and she was running and running and running. No, 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 no. Okay, and then you always get a card that says thank you, Mint Mongoose. And then it says, yay, it's here. Okay. And it says you can share your photos or videos of your new favorite Mint Mongoose jewelry pieces with the hashtag Mint Mongoose to be entered to win a free month. So that's kind of cool. And you always get a Werther's Original piece of candy. No, you're not getting that. Mama's gonna get that. Oh, and I got another item in there too. So let's unwrap some of this here. I'm gonna unwrap this and see what's in the actual, and this is what your jewelry comes in. Stop. Let me get it open and I give you the paper. Ah. You wait a minute. Oh. Got it. Okay, so let's see what I've got in these first. Okay, first I think I got a ring in here. So, okay, it's a ring, but I don't quite get it. It doesn't look like there's a stone in it. It just looks blank. I don't know, is that the way it's supposed to be? There's no stone in the box. So, I don't know. That's kind of weird. I mean, maybe that's maybe that's a thing. I don't know. That's kind of strange, I think. Just a plain ring like that. I mean, maybe it is. It doesn't look like there should be an inch. I don't know. That's kind of weird. That one I may have to email and see, hey, am I missing a stone, or was it supposed to be without a stone, or what? Cause that, I don't know, that's got me baffled. Okay, let me get this one open next. These are always kind of hard. I should have pre-opened some of these packages, I guess. But I like mint mongoose, I really do. But this is the one I tend to skip when I need to because, you know, I don't really need the jewelry. I like it. And I think it's good quality jewelry. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, these are earrings. I always have everything packaged so good. Violet, now, you're going to have to move, okay? You're going to have to move. Oh, and they gave me some extra backy things. So let me put those back in here because I don't want Miss Violet to get them. And this one's tangled a little bit here. Oh, these are cute. These are really kind of cute. Okay, so let me put this in. This one in and get so much stuff out of my. Okay, and then I'll show you guys. No. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Very, very pretty. I love those colors. Very pretty. No. You get back. Okay, and there we go. Am I showing it to you right? There we go. So yeah, those are really pretty. Like it. But I really pretty much like, you know, a lot of stuff that they send me. So just that's the first weird thing I've ever kind of really gotten, I think. All right, let's get into this one. Okay, and it matches the earrings. And then it also always has the imprint of the mint mongoose, which I think is really cute. I've never had problems with this jewelry, like turning me colors or anything. And I even have a couple rings that I've gotten wet without thinking and never has changed me, has never turned tarnished or anything. Let me figure this guy out here. Give me a minute. Okay, there we go. I got it hooked. Let me get it swung around here. This shirt, it always moves on me. I don't know why. Okay, but I guess, and I can shorten it if I need to. Let me shorten it up and come in a little bit closer so you guys can see that. It matches the earrings. Very pretty. Very, very nice. Okay, that's pretty. Okay, so this other piece must have been from when I did a review for them. Let me get it out. And this has got just like some dried flowers in there. Really, really cute. And it's a big heart. I guess I'll have to unhook it. Oh, I don't like the clasp on this. This one's one of those. Yeah, I don't like the clasp. But other than that, I don't know if I can get it over my head. I don't think I'm going to be able to. Maybe I will. Nope. Oh well, so I'll have to mess with that clasp a little bit. It's one of these clasp things that you've got like that. And then you hook one out and then you got to pop it back in. I don't care for those clasps. But that's a cute necklace. So not bad. So I got the ring. I got this necklace for the review. I got the earrings. And then I got this necklace. This other necklace. So not too bad for, what, $15. I mean, that's with shipping and everything. Not too bad. So you can also choose what metal that you like. You can choose whether you like silver, rose gold, or gold. You can choose whether you have your ears pierced or not, whether you want watches or not, that kind of stuff. And so you do a little questionnaire. And then they do send you, the things that you kind of like. And there's always like contests and things going on so that you can earn different things or get different things for free. That's kind of fun too. They also have an online store. So if you're a member, if you get the regular, it's like you can go on there and get 40% or is it 25%? I think it's 25% off. I think. Let me look at one of these cards. Normally they have it on one here. Nope, I'm not seeing it. Let me see what's on here. Nope, it doesn't just say. But you for instance, on this, you can spend $40 on individual items on their online shop, and then you can get your next box for free. So they just always have all kinds of different ways to earn different free stuff, which is really kind of cool. So that's my mint mongoose. Let me know what you guys thought. And do you get mint mongoose? And if so, do you like them? I'm trying to get everything away because Miss Violet is just irritating me. You're just irritating me. You're irritating me today. Yes, you are. She would think she's got to be on me the whole time. Every time I sit down, she's got to be right on me, right on me, right on me. And there's just times I don't want a dog on me. There's plenty of times I want my doggy on me, but not all the time. Bless her little heart. Okay, so anyway, you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. If you are new here and you like unboxing videos, and you like jewelry and fashion and beauty boxes and vlogging and that kind of stuff, I would love for you to join our YouTube family and click the subscribe button and then click the notification bell so you'll be notified of any of my new videos that I've uploaded. And we're at 201, we got another one. We're at 202 subscribers now. So I'm going to be doing a 200 subscriber giveaway really soon. I've got a few more items to purchase. And I'm going to get everything around, and then I'll get a video up and loaded on the giveaway. So we will start that hopefully another week or so, and I will get that going. So yeah, great things are happening here on our channel, and it's all because of you guys, and I appreciate you all so much, and I love you so much. So you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.